Hello, kids, waving hand. Today, we're going to learn about shapes. Shapes are different forms or outlines we see in objects. Shapes are in toys, food, buildings, and even in nature. Let's discover the different shapes and where we can find them. Circle. C.I.R.C.L.E. Circle. Square. S.Q.U.A.R.E. Square. Triangle. T.R.I.A.N.G.L.E. Triangle. Rectangle. R.E.C.T.A.N.G.L.E. Rectangle. Oval. O.V.A.L. Oval. Star. S.T.A.R. Star. Pentagon. P.E.N.T.A.G.O.N. Pentagon. Hexagon. H.E.X.A.G.O.N. Hexagon. Octagon. O.C.T.A.G.O.N. Octagon. Crescent. C.R.E.S.C.E.N.T. Crescent. Cube. C.U.B.E. Cube. Sphere. S.P.H.E.R.E. Sphere. Knowing shapes makes learning about patterns and objects fun. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.